Number 7, a student council group is selling school posters for a fundraiser. They use the function P of x equals 5x minus 220 to determine their profit P of x in dollars for selling X school posters. In order to earn a profit of $900, how many school posters must they sell? Just like I mentioned a few problems earlier about functions, functions are input and output. So this one, our input, our X value, what's going in, is the number of posters, the school posters they're selling. And when they sell these posters, they get an output of profit. And that profit is the P of X, the output. So their profit in this case, we have this equation, P of X is equal to 5x minus 220, or in other words, the profit is equal to 5 times the number of posters minus 220. It may have been like their startup costs, what they had initially invested, $220 perhaps. So let's plug this in. They're telling us the profit needs to be $900. So that P of X, the profit, needs to be 900. And we need to solve for the number of posters, X. Well, now we have just a sort of straightforward algebraic equation. So let's solve for that. To solve for X, X is being multiplied by 5, and then 220 is being subtracted. We need to undo that, do the opposite. The opposite of subtracting 220 is adding 220. So we're going to do that to both sides. And on the left, we get 1,120. And on the right, that is equal to 5x. And so x is being multiplied by 5. To undo that, we divide by 5. And, if you want to put that in a calculator, you're absolutely welcome to do so. I tend to just write it out like that. For me, that's faster and is generally more accurate. So, we all do what's best for us. That's the best thing we can do. So, in this case, I have learned that x is equal to 224. And that is my answer. That is how many posters they must sell in order to make a profit of $900. If you want to check this math, you want to check your answer, the way you would do that is you would plug it into this equation, 5 times 224 minus 220, and you should get back to 900. If you do, you have the right answer. But that's it, 224.
Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and if you're looking for more SAT or PSAT help, go to mathwithalyssa.com. There you can get over 25 hours of test prep. This is for both math and reading and writing, both sections. They also come with practice questions, downloadable study guides, and more. Links to everything are in the description down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video or any suggestions for future videos. I'm all ears. And if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let the algorithm know about it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye. And I think I slapped my leg because that's something you do. Why do I slap my leg? Why am I slapping my leg as I'm talking? Who knows? I don't know.